now back at Sylas's nature journal. He's been tracking the growth of one particular plant, watching it grow. This is something you might want to try too. Okay, so Sylas is tracking the growth of this Clintonia plant. And he is measuring, are you measuring the longest leaf on there?
Yeah.
He's been tracking this for a couple weeks already. How long is that one today?
20.
20 what?
20 centimeters.
Okay, and he's recording that in his journal. How big was it the first time you measured it?
The longest leaf.
Yep.
12.
So how much has it grown?
8 centimeters.
That's a lot of growth.
This is my Clintonia that I'm measuring, and this is my dad's Clintonia.
So what do the tags say?
This one says Michael, and this one says Sylas.
Oh, so you can keep track of who's whose.
Yeah.
That's good. So are you guys having a bit of a growth race here? And who's winning?
I'm winning.
You're winning?
Yeah.
Why? What's yours doing?
It has more leaves, and I think it has a longer stem, but he has a longer leaf, so.
Oh, okay, so it's not...
And he doesn't have any buds or a stem for it.
So you think you might have flowers on yours first?
Yeah. Do you want to see a giant one?
Yes.
Okay. Here is like the real spot for them. It's like the best spot.
Sylas, where have you brought me?
Right here.
What's going on right here?
This is the biggest Clintonia that I've found. It has long leaves.
Yeah, it does.
It has 7 leaves. Wow.
Why do you think this one's so much bigger than the others?
Because it's been here for the longest amount of time, and it's stored way more nutrients than the other ones. So it can get way bigger.
Wow. So you're saying it has a flower that it's not open yet, but the flower's growing?
Yeah. These like whitish red buds are the buds.
And you're counting the number of buds on the flower?
It's like 28.
28 buds on that flower?
Yeah. There's a lot.
What's the flower going to look like when it opens?
It's gonna go up, and then it's gonna have some fruits. My dad said that this one goes like this high. That has a super long stem, and it's gonna have these blue fruits that are about like probably that big.
Really?
Yeah.
Do you know what the color of the flowers will be?
They're gonna be blue. Oh, the flower?
Yeah.
I don't know.
How long do you think we're going to have to wait till those open?
Maybe like another 3.5 weeks or so.
Okay, we'll keep track.
Okay.
Thanks for that tour.
You're welcome.
Okay, botanical expert. What's the name of this plant we're checking out here?
Andrews. Clintonia andrewsiana. And it's a cool redwood specialist, basically from San Francisco north to Del Norte County, real hugging the coast of Northern California.
And for the record, what color flowers will it have?
And it has these beautiful red flowers, which form these blueberries.